Guys, today we're gonna be making vegan donuts, and these are the best recipe we've made. And let's get to it.
So the first ingredient you're gonna be needing is applesauce, a pinch of salt, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, and sugar, and
This
a bowl.
is the yeast my mom uses,
It's the best.
and you just let it sit in a bowl for 10 minutes.
And so this is the toppings. So the first one is cinnamon sugar. And then we used peanuts, salted, and we toasted almonds.
And then this is the lemon coconut glaze, and this is the pumpkin cream cheese glaze. Very good, guys. You can of course take away and add toppings. This is all optional.